Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to open 3 more of these Lego lookalikes. We have looks like a backhoe, a helicopter, and a park bench. We'll open these and show you how they do. This one is the Make It Blocks construction. Looks like a backhoe, doesn't it? Let's open this up. Get everything out here. There's your instruction sheet. And it is just a sheet. And there's the parts. Let's put this together. This time we're going to build a police helicopter. You can see it right there. It says 25 pieces. Let's open this little guy up. Get everything out here. There's all of our parts. Our instruction sheet. Let's build it. And here is the next one. It's the park bench. Here's all your parts. Here's your instruction sheet. And it is just a sheet, okay? I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. You got a lot more of these. Go check out the playlist. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Also, check out the description below. I have links to Amazon where you can find a lot of these. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you next time.